Hey everyone, today we're talking about what is in Comm. This is a super important topic to go over today because on the 31st of this month, December, we will be closing Comm. So let's get into what is actually in Comm. You get access to a marketing advisor. So if you have issues, questions with your marketing, if you're wanting to grow your company and you need advice in that area, I know this is something that everyone wants more advice in. I know this just by when we shoot content, we build stuff around this. It is always high on the views. A marketing advisor, always at your fingertips. Number two, the weekly calls that hit on very important topics within your business, very important topics within your life. This isn't just about making your business better. This is about making your whole life better. The 4 pillars of your life that really accelerate and grow you as a whole, that's the foundation of everything. Your business can't be super successful if your relationships are failing, if your mind is failing, if your health is failing. So we have weekly calls that are based around all of these topics that aren't just business, that are going to help you grow your whole entire life. That's really, truly what it's all about. Next, there are tons of templates, email documents, things that are going to help you win. Do you need an email for raising prices? Do you need an email for, hey, prices and materials they're all over the place. I need something to send to my clients because I need them to know that if materials jump a lot in the process, we may have to bill more for that. We have all of this stuff laid out for your use so you can grow your company and you don't have questions. It's right there for you to be able to act on and excel the growth of your company quickly. All you have to do is plug it into your company and you're ready to go. The next thing, and it's crazy, I could talk about this for hours and not get it all, but all of the discounts, 50% discounts on any of our products, on any of our one-on-one coaching, on any of our courses, the discounts from our contributors, Simple Growth, Lightspeed Marketing Agency, so much value just from that, from being a part of Comm. Really the value doesn't end, and that is the whole purpose of building this, was to pack it with so much value that everyone that was involved was just pretty much guaranteed to win just by being involved. Now, the last piece that I'm going to go over in this though, the one that I feel like brings just so much value, and that is the Facebook group itself. It can be lonely at the top, it can be lonely in the middle, it can be lonely at the beginning. Building a business puts you in a place that is different from your average person. When you're not working a 9-to-5, when you're building a business, it is a much different thing. And when you're doing that, you struggle to find people to talk to because there's a lot of questions in business that you just can't go to someone who has no relation to running a business, being in business, that is in a 9-to-5 job, and ask them questions. You also don't want to go to people that aren't trying to build something if you're trying to build something. You are wanting to have $1 million company. You don't go to a person who wants to have a solo operation. One of the most painful things I've seen, and you'll hear me talk about over and over and over again, is all the Facebook groups where you're not safe because you can't ask a question because you'll get ridiculous fucking answers. It will be total garbage and bullshit, and it's a waste of time, and you have to spend even more time to sift through the bullshit to get to what you need. So in Comm, you have a Facebook group of like-minded people who are there for the reason of what is in the name, grow. They're wanting to grow their business. They're wanting to excel. And you're the average of 5 people you spend the most time around. And now you can get around a great group of people that are all looking to grow their business. So if you have questions, a marketing advisor can hop in, can answer any of that stuff right inside of the group. I can hop in, I can get involved in questions. I do lives a few times a week. There's always answers to your questions to get you moving forward faster. So that's what's in Comm. That's why it's such a valuable tool, and it is always evolving and growing, and we're always looking for new ways to how do we bring more value to this platform. This is closing on December 31st. So if you're interested in this, you want to make sure you act on this now because you've got a limited amount of time.